My name is Shiho Sparkle Hooper from Happy Hoopy Life Entertainment. Today, I want to tell you which hula hoop trick the beginners hula hoopers should know. I don't know if I should even say tricks, but those are the things you should really know when you start to learn the trick. So I'll go through what the beginners hula hoopers should know before you start to learn the hula hoop tricks. Let's go for Happy Hoopy School! So, before you start to learn the hula hoop trick, it is very important to be able to find a space, because all the hula hoop tricks made by finding a space. If you can find a space, you can do some trick. If you can find a space, you can start to do some tricks. So it is very important to find a space. Which space you should start to find? So when you do the tummy hooping, you have a space between yourself and hula hoop. So find a space. It's easier to find a space if your hula hoop going right side. Your hula hoop spin right side, it's easier to find on your left. If your hula hoop going left side, it's easier to find your right space. I found out it's actually easier if you spin around and then find a space, because you are actually following the space. You're actually following the space. So you can turn around, find a space. Once you can find left space, you can find right, left, right. Oops. So why was it dropped? Because my hand hit the hula hoop. So if you find the space with the right timing, you don't hit the hula hoop, and then your hula hoop keep spinning on your body. And then rather than putting your hand nice and straight, you actually tracing your body. You almost touching your body, tracing your body, and then find a space. So you are following the space, and then make sure your hand is not too far, then you're gonna stuck with the hula hoop. So make sure your hand cross your body, almost touching your body, and then tracing around your body, following the space, so you can find a space. Now, when I took the hula hoop lesson from Bunny Hoopstar, my teacher Bunny always said, Shiho, you can find a outside space. And I was like, what outside space? I had no idea at the time, but it is now makes sense. So once you can find inside of the space, you can find outside of the space. Outside. Again, can go left, right. And this time, of course, it's not inside, so not touching your body, close to the hula hoop as much as possible. But you don't actually touch the hula hoop, because if you touch the hula hoop is gonna drop. So don't touch the hula hoop. Outside, close to the hula hoop as much as possible. Outside. And then again, you can turn around, so it's easier to find a space. It visually also looks better. So outside. So let's go over again with me. So when you spin the hula hoop, you can put left hand first, and then put in, turn around. Once you're comfortable finding a space on your left hand, you can put right hand, tracing your body, almost touching your body, left, right, and then outside. Again, close to the hula hoop as much as possible, left, right. Nice! hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any other hula hoop tricks, you can leave in the comment, and then I will work for more hula hoop tutorial video. Otherwise, if you can like and then subscribe my channel, Shiho will be very happy, and then I have a motivation to make more and more and more hula hoop video. Thank you very much for your support. I hope to see you in next video. またね! Happy Hoopy Days!